Morning! How you guys doing, bro? I'm doing okay, dog, and you all know, bro, Sundays are for football, dog. So yeah, I'm going to the field now. Hopefully, bro, we're gonna win, bro. Yabanda nukbanda, check the word. I wanna show you all the way. Yabanda, bro, but it's fine, dog, cause hey, so see you, please. Like something happened yesterday, being kissing your peg, and then this guy saw me passing, and like he said, Emlindo jam no more consent, yabo. One say, nam ngahle because I understand the traduction since like sebang fakele no rooms yabo, and I was like fuck, I can't say was kwenza movie room lab. Okay, manager abuza because lo mshita bekahle no res manager. Manager abuza athi yini lo mshita uyi content creator. Athi lo mshita ya. Abuze ku manager athi wenza ipi content bro wami yabo. Because okay nami ngiye vele ngiye kubo mangifika badlala i-checkers known as i-draft yabo. Le uye chess whatever ya. Mangifika lapha abuze yabo. Ngimtshele ngithi hayi ya ngenza content athi wenza content enjani. Hey dog ngipause for a second dog because it's like anginawo ama-answers angazi ngenza ipi content. And mangifika lapha bathe like ngenza i-content ka TikTok yabo because ngifika ngabatshela ngathi ngenza u-TikTok. So now ku TikTok since ngingenayo i-niche bra. Sekunzima ukutshela umuntu ukuthi ngenza ipi content yabo. And I was like fuck. Yonto like yastaka kimi ke ukuthi vele kahle ngenza content enjani mina makuthiwa ngenza content yabo. Angifunanga ukuthi ama vlogs because nakhona angikho consistent ngama vlog. Not unless ngimthumele ku YouTube. Ku YouTube I was gonna say I'm a content creator, I do vlogs. But ku TikTok dog I just do videos ngihambe ngikhuluma estradini kanje njengoba ngikhuluma nani man. Damn shit's so fine, but it's fine. Focus. Yabo. So manje like ngazibuza ke lo mbuzo kahle vele ngenza content ngathi mangifika room lami ngathi kuye na I just do i-content because like ngenza noma yini ngizama ukuhlanganisa i-audience yabo. Knowing very well ukuthi angina content angina next ekhanda. Then what happened afterwards ukuthi okay ngathi mangifika room lami ngathi kuye ngizama ukuhlanganisa i-audience what yabo but okay ngathi mangifika room lami bra ngazibuza lo mbuzo kahle vele wena Mlindo wenza i-content yabo. So like ngastresseka dog ubusuku bonke ngaphapha ebusuku ngabo 1 until ngize ngizibuza umbuzo ukuthi no kahle akumelanga ngabe ngizibuza umbuzo ukuthi ngenza yipi i-content yabo. Kumele ngizibuza ukuthi kahle yini i-content creation. And lo mbuzo ngizobuza nani. I feel like in order for wena ukuthi ukwazi ukuzithola kahle ukuthi umephi ngendaba ye-content you have to ask yourself that one question ukuthi what is content creation kuwe according to you. What is content creation?
Kuna bazoshawa abashawe kuna bazoshawa abashawe kuna bazoshawa
Ini? Angibakhamelile boy phezulu kwapho. Lenti le vlog engenza akuseyebhola ke hard like in. Otherwise like I said ke when it comes to this content creation thing dog ungaba confused ngezinto eziningi because angeke ukwazi ukuthi yini ongayibiza content yini ongayibiza kanjani. When it comes to the content creator to me mina at first I thought ukuthi like uyabona abo ngathi abobani kwa lo mshita lo bathi ubani usanele or bani lo owenza ama video awabo the Joker. For mina yiyo ke content creation bengicabanga ukuthi like into ena kanjalo so that's why bengazi as a content creator because I felt like bra into ekumele uyicabange into ekumele uyi-act yabo not just nje ukhipha ifone then you do then I would say content creation but nga research ngabona ukuthi na bra yonke into it's content creation as long as ine purpose ukuthi mhlambe i-video like uyafundisa or ine message ithumelayo or iya entertain yabo then yeah kuya ngokuthi ikhethe yipi mara once into yenza leyo message then that's content creation. When it comes to posting pictures I never thought posting pictures would be a content creation thing I thought more post some pictures you're just an influencer until nakhona ngenza research ukuthi influencer umuntu influencer abantu ukuthi benze something, especially when it comes to ukuthi bathenga izinto. Yabo, if like you advertiser, if wenza video and then you are using this product, you influence people to want to use the product. That's an influencer. Yabo, most posteli ithombe kuphela but who's editor, uzenze zibe aesthetic, then that's content creation. So for me, since when I vlogs, I never thought I would be a content creator. I don't know, even namanje, as I'm doing this vlog, I don't know if I'm doing a content or what. But I was like, okay, I'll do a video explaining to you all ukuthi kahle kahle mina bengizibona njengani and nina nicabangani. So what I'm going to say now is, yeah, that's it. Otherwise, Dalile sawina, and of course I scored a goal. Njengejwayelo, assist I created the penalty. Sawina 4-2. Sawina 4-2. Penalty ngicreated eqala umjito korile, ngakora nami ngashane assist futhi wakora uMpho. Elinye lokuqala kora uMpilo, elokuqala uJimas we. Sawina 4-2. Next match sizodlala next week.